In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow to any text in Wix. By the end, you'll know a simple, sensible, reliable way to turn ordinary text into a bright, eye-catching accent that looks great on modern websites and hero sections. Start by setting your page background to black. This isn't mandatory for every design, but it's the easiest way to see the glow while you're working. A dark background gives you a clean canvas and helps you judge the color, intensity, and softness of the glow with clarity. Next, open the Elements panel using the plus icon in the editor. This is where you'll find everything you can add to your page. Choose Text to open the text presets. Pick the style that fits your design. Headings are great for bold glows, while paragraph text works for subtle effects, and place it on your canvas. If you already have text on the page, simply select it. Change the text color to white. White is a strong base for glowing effects because it keeps the text crisp while allowing the glow to do the visual heavy lifting around the edges. You'll still have full control over the glow color in just a moment. To create the glow, open the text design options and scroll until you see shadow. This is the key. In Wix, the glow effect is achieved using the shadow feature, but instead of using a dark drop shadow, we'll turn it into a sun-appeared aura. Click shadow, then enable it. You'll see an immediate change, but it might look like a regular shadow at first. Now change the shadow color to the glow color you want. Blue is a classic choice, but any vibrant hue can work beautifully. Pick something that contrasts with your background for maximum impact. Finally, adjust the blur slider. Increasing the blur softens the edges and spreads the color outward, transforming a hard shadow into a luminous glow. Go slowly and watch the text as you tweak the blur. A lower blur gives a tight neon edge. A higher blur creates a wide, dreamy halo. Aim for a balance where the text remains readable, the glow feels intentional, and the color doesn't overpower the lettering. That's it. You've turned regular text into glowing text using the built-in tools in Wix. Use this technique for headlines, callouts, or key phrases to draw attention without cluttering your layout. Keep experimenting with color and blur until it matches your brand and the mood of your page.